Hi guys, this is Rima. I'm a social media marketer with 7 boats, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a new profile on Twitter. So let's begin. I'm creating my own profile on Twitter. Sign up for Twitter. Creating my account. We can skip this. Then I'm keeping my username. Next. Let's go. So select whatever you're interested in. I'll select this sports, lifestyle, music, CEOs, entertainment, brands, travel, food, books and authors. Okay, it's done. Then continue. I don't want to do this, so no thanks. Select all. I can always unfollow later. You can turn on notifications so that you stay up to date when you're not online on Twitter, so I'll do that. So yeah, this is how we create a Twitter account. You can join conversations, you can add your thoughts about any tweet with a reply. Click on this icon and you can comment on it. You can retweet it with this icon. Tap the icon and you can retweet it with your friends. You can also like it with this heart sign. So yeah, this is how you set up your Twitter account. This is how your Twitter profile will look like. You can add a profile picture, you can add a background photo over here. Click on edit, add a header photo, add a profile photo, then you save changes. You can also change your name, or you can add your about us over here, location and your website color, your birthday. You can also change the theme color to whatever you want. I would like pink, so let's keep it pink. Okay, so then you save changes. So these are done. So this is how your Twitter will look like. You can see these are all demo tweets we can use like this, hashtags and everything. So this is how you set up your Twitter account. Thank you for watching. Bye.